Welcome to Join airacer. airacer's system helps you manage your schedules. To start, let's quickly walk through the steps from registration, how to add aircrafts and instructors, how to set up automatic weather alert, and how to post your service so you can get started. Let's register a new account on our page. As a flight school, click Register as a School or Company on our homepage. Fill in the information about your school and click Sign Up, and you will be redirected to Management Dashboard immediately. However, your school will not be able to receive payments from customers until you properly fill in your business details. Follow the onboarding tasks, then you will be able to set up everything you need to start. Click the Check It Out. Now, fill in your business details. The tax ID number and bank account information is for you to receive payments from customers. Your tax ID number and bank account number will be fully encrypted by airacer's security system. Let us come back to the dashboard. Now, let's set up the business hours. When customers purchase the services from the airacer customer end, they can choose the time slot when you are available. You can also change the airport at the toolbox on the left-hand side. Add the contact info so your customers will be able to reach you when they see the service you create. Then add your instructors. All of your instructors' names will show up in the scheduling page, and you can assign flights to them. When you assign an instructor a task, he or she will receive the information through phone number and email address. Here you can set up your unique minimums on cloud coverage, wind speed, and visibility. airacer acquires data from aviationweather.gov, therefore you and your customers can trust our weather alert. When the weather data acquired from aviationweather.gov falls out of the range that you set up, you will receive alert messages. You can select whether it is manual or automatic. If you choose to manually manage your reservation scheduling, you will receive a message that asks you to make the decision to proceed or reschedule the reservations, and it is your option to notify your customers or continue the flights. Otherwise, if you choose to let airacer automatically manage your reservations, then both the customers and you will receive a rescheduling message directly when the weather data falls out of the range. With this option, the customer will reschedule a different available time slot. You can also choose which instructors or administrators that you wish to receive the alerts messages. If you have more than one administrator, you can add up here. The next step is to fill in your aircraft models. airacer will help you manage all of the aircraft information so you won't have any problem finding the information when you are about to provide services. Next, you are ready to post your services here. Here you can upload the photos of your own airplane. Once you have posted the information of a flight service, airacer system will let you know if it is approved or not. Once it's approved, the service will show up on airacer's customer end right away. If not, our staff will let you know where you need to make a correction. Once your services appear on our customer end, customers will be able to see them. When a customer buys your service, they receive a digital ticket with a code on it. They will present the ticket to you once they show up at your end. Add students. After you add the student by entering their email address, our system will send a notification to your student and they can edit their profile through the link in the email. By clicking on CSV, you can download your student list in Excel file. Now, let's move on to scheduling. Scheduling. This is your scheduling page. Once a customer makes a purchase on any of your flight services on the airacer customer end, the order will reflect on your scheduling page automatically. Here reflects all of the orders from airacer customers who purchased your flight services, and you can add your own flight scheduling. If you want to add your own flight scheduling manually, click on Add a New Schedule and fill in the sheet to create a new schedule. If you wish to modify the order, click on the time slot and modify the order as you wish. You can change the aircraft your student will use and select a different instructor here for your students. Okay, we are all set for your flight scheduling. Now, let's move on to orders. When your customer purchases a ticket for a flight service from the airacer website, he or she will receive a digital ticket with a code on it. When the student arrives at your school before the flight, click on Order and find the matching schedule ID from the product list. You will see Enter Code on your page. Enter the code on the ticket from the customer, and the order status will turn to Verified. Once the code is verified, airacer's system starts to process the payment for you, and now you and your student are all set to go. airacer's system will process the payment once your order is verified, and you will receive a confirmation email as well. The length of the payment depends on the bank you are using. Once they have finished their flight, be sure to mark Completed from Order Status. Enjoy using airacer.